Hey there, riders and future riders. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting decisions you'll make, choosing your very first motorcycle. This choice isn't just about getting a set of wheels. It's about finding a ride, the one that will help you build confidence, skills, and most importantly, keep you safe while you're out there turning heads and eating up the miles. Let's dive in. Here's the deal. Motorcycles are incredible, but they're also powerful machines. Picking the bike for your experience level is like putting a new driver in a Formula One car. It's a recipe for disaster. Your first motorcycle should be one that helps you, not one that makes you feel overwhelmed. The truth is, beginners often overestimate their ability. A big fast bike might look cool, but is harder to control, easier to drop, and, frankly, dangerous if you're still mastering the basics. This is what we call the sweet spot. A bike that's light, manageable, and forgiving. It'll teach you to ride and give you the confidence to upgrade when you're ready. So how do you find the perfect first bike? Stick around. All right, let's talk features. There are a few key things you need to think about when choosing your first motorcycle. First, weight. A lighter bike is easier to handle, whether you're navigating city traffic or trying to recover from a stop. Look for something under 400 pounds. Second, power. Beginners, you don't need a 1000cc beast. Aim for something between 250cc and 500cc. Enough power to have fun, but not so much that you'll lose control. Third, seat height. If you can't flat foot your bike, you'll struggle at stops. Sit on a few models and make sure your feet touch the ground comfortably. And finally, comfort. If your back or wrists hurt after 10 minutes, it's not the bike for you. Take your time, test ride if you can, and find something that fits. Now, let's look at the different styles of beginner-friendly bikes. Your choice will depend on your personality, riding style, and where you plan to ride. First up, the standard bike. These are the Swiss Army knives of motorcycles. They're versatile, upright, and great for beginners. Examples? Think the Honda CB 300 or the Yamaha MT-03. Next, we've got cruisers, low seats, relaxed riding position. Perfect if you want to take it easy and look good doing it. The Kawasaki Vulcan S or Honda Rebel 300 are great starter cruisers. And yes, you can start with a sport bike. Just keep it small and sensible. Bikes like the Kawasaki Ninja 400 or Yamaha R3 give you that sleek, aggressive look without the terrifying power. Remember, ride the bike that feels right for you. Don't let anyone pressure you into something that's too much to handle. Let's talk accessories and some basic maintenance. Because owning a motorcycle isn't just about riding. It's about taking care of it too. First, gear is non-negotiable, and you've heard it before, but get a DOT certified helmet, gloves, riding boots, and a good jacket. Quality gear can be pricey, but it's cheaper than a hospital bill. Trust me. Second, learn basic maintenance. Oil changes, tire pressure checks, and chain lubrication are all easy tasks you can do yourself. Plus, keeping your bike in shape makes it safer and helps it last longer. Finally, consider accessories like mirrors, phone mounts, or even crash bars. You don't need to over-accessorize, but small additions can make your ride safer and more comfortable. Let's wrap up with some quick tips on what not to do. Here are the most common mistakes new riders make. 1. Buying too much bike too soon. 2. Skipping safety gear to look cool. 3. Forgetting to practice slow speed maneuvers. They're harder than they look. 4. Riding in bad weather before you're ready. 5. Ignoring maintenance basics. Avoid these traps and you'll be miles ahead of the game. Your first motorcycle isn't just a bike. It's the start of an incredible journey. Choose one that will build your skills, your confidence, and most importantly, keep you riding for years to come. Remember, it's not about what you ride. It's about how much you enjoy the ride. Stay safe, and I'll see you out there on the road.
Will you be there for me as you ride?